Now, what do you think is a nature preserve, guys? What do you think we do here at a nature preserve? What do you think?
That you take care of them.
We take care of them, right? Okay, what kinds of animals are mammals? What do they have on them? Yeah, what do mammals have on them? Yes. Skin, but what's on their skin? Fur, that's right. Anyone know what this is?
Ooh, it's
What is it? It's a skunk.
Oh, I don't want to touch that.
Definitely a native turtle of Mecklenburg County. The males tend to have red heads and more color on them. The females tend to be a little duller. Their eyes are usually brown. 2, you can touch its shell. Very sweet, just very rub it. This is not a wild caught snake. So if you see snakes in the wild, you want to leave them alone. Okay, because they don't know you. They may think you're trying to go after them and hurt them. What's happening to that? Let's see what else we can find, guys. Okay, all right. See, the plants are already living here because it's got fertilizer. So fungus, bacteria, and invertebrates.
Everybody do this. Do this. Right here on the bird is called the gorget. Can you say gorget?
Gorget.
That's just a fancy word for their throat. And their throat is covered in red. However, look at this little hummingbird. Does he have a red throat?
No.
No, he doesn't have a red throat.
Fungus. So that means your bacteria